Welcome, friends. In this particular topic, I will make you familiar with all the possible uses of modals. Since the age we get advice, our elderly people, parents, guardian advise us and have advised in the past to study tense. Nobody advises us you study and complete the modal structures. But as a matter of fact, I must tell you that modals structure and most possible uses of modals in conversation is a must for learners. I mean to say, modals are helpful in most suitable expression. But very rarely people advise us. Modals and its extensive uses are integral part of functional grammar. Now, I must tell you what actually modal is and why is it named modals. The word may be unfamiliar. Actually, modals are auxiliaries. But modals are named as modals, not the auxiliary modals, because modals helps us to express the mood and mode in which frame of mind we are. Like if I say, I must punish you, that means I will punish this instant something seriously is committed. And if I say, I may punish you, that is possibility, I may punish on some other day. I should punish you, that means to punish somebody is my moral obligation as a guardian. So in that way, the very same punishment is there, but the intensity and my way of saying differs from one sentence to other. Now, total number of modals goes up to 13. The total number of auxiliaries go up to 26, the 24 main auxiliaries. These auxiliaries are divided into two parts. Like is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had. These are primary auxiliaries. And the rest of the auxiliaries are named modal auxiliaries. So out of 26 or 24 main auxiliaries, 11 are the primary auxiliaries. You very well know, you use it to your convenience. And the rest 13, can, could, may, must, might, would, should, it goes up to 13. These are modal auxiliaries. And as I mentioned earlier, that modals are extremely useful for most accurate expression. And if you use modals at the time of conversation, you convey the correct message. What actually is the intention of speaking or speaker? Like see, if I say, and generally it is seen that we somehow complete sentences. कि आज यहाँ मेरे लिए यहाँ आना संभव नहीं हो सकता था क्योंकि मैंने सुबह वाली बस छोड़ दी थी. तो we managed to finish it somehow. It was not possible to attend the meeting or to come to this place as I left the morning bus. This also is correct. But the most suitable use is, it would have never been possible for me personally to come and join the meeting as I left the morning bus. So which structure is used? It would have not been possible. Wouldn't have been. That is modal use. तुम्हें तो टीचर बनना चाहिए था. Then what to say? People can manage. I don't say that all of us do that. But the learners who do not have variety of expression sometimes say it was better for you to be a teacher. Now here I have to say, तुम्हें तो टीचर बनना चाहिए था. Here expectation was that you be a teacher. So the correct expression will be, you should have been a teacher. You should have been brave. तुम्हें बहादुर होना चाहिए था, टीचर बनना चाहिए था, पर तो तुम हुए नहीं. तो correct expression is possible with modal structures. But we can somehow manage that it was expected that you to be a teacher. So to somehow manage and carry on conversation and to have the most accurate expression is very different. You know, you have to be effective speaker. So see, modals are 13 in number. Let me count it one by one. Can, could, may, must, might, would, should, used to, dare, need, ought to, shall and will. Total 13. Shall and will also is modal auxiliary, and I haven't put or kept the shall and will in modal auxiliary. This division is made by the grammarians in the long back. So shall and will you may consider as primary auxiliary like is, am, are, but shall and will are modal auxiliary. Now better be concentrated that what are the structures. Let us know about all the possible structure. So modals are 13 in number and the structure up to 11. Each modal can have 11 possible structure. And as I said, and I say it again, that you can replace the modals and it will have more or less the same meaning. So if you have to say aaj barish hogi, then not necessarily may only. Sometimes you can use might also. For framing question, can you help me? Then you can frame questions with may also, not for same meaning. May I go out, sir? This is also a question. Can you help me? This is also a question. So questions can be framed with various models. So you will have the variety, diversified use. Okay. So on one particular structure, you can substitute modals. For example, you should have been brave and you must have been brave. Here the same structure is replaced by must and should. You must have been brave. That means कि आप जरूर बहादुर थे. He must have been brave to counter the problem. ये बहुत बहादुर होगा तभी उसने उस संकट का मुकाबला किया. यानी वो है, होगा, उन्हें गेस किया कि वो होगा. And he should have been brave not to leave the place. उसे बहादुर होना चाहिए था, जगह से भागना नहीं चाहिए था. यानी सांप निकल आया, he should have been brave instead of being off from the place. तो वही should have been है, वही must have been है, पर here the meaning is different. एक में है होना चाहिए था यार, हुआ नहीं, और एक में है कि पक्का होगा. He must have been in the office at the time of discussion. So see what I want to say. Modals are there. It is helpful for most accurate expression. It has got more than one possible structure, and you can on one structure you can put all the modals. Meaning will differ from one model to other. Okay, got it. So see, firstly I must tell you what the structures are there. You know the first use of modals, can, could, may, must, might, you study at school, but your teachers explain only the primary use. Can, children, can for capability, you know. Should for chahiye, you should speak truth, and the should is over. A teacher is supposed to tell, not at school level, when you study seriously from spoken point of view, that there are at least 7 or 8 uses of should. Then you complete the conversation with command, with authority, with fluency and efficiency. See, actually, you know, I have got only 15 minutes. So I am talking in this unplanned manner, hurried manner. So if the account is verified, then I will shoot video up to 30 minutes. Then proper way in relaxed manner I will explain. Okay. So see, all the possible uses, structures. First structure is modal plus V1. What does it mean? Modals means any modal. Can, could, may, might. Plus V1. I can do this work. He would do that work. He may go. So structure is the same. Modals plus V1. The first V1 means first form of verb. Then second structure is modal plus B. It would be true. ये सच होगा. Modal plus V plus V3. Modal plus B plus V3. You can frame any sentence on this structure with various modals. Okay. Fourth structure is modals plus B plus V4. I am telling you structure, later on I will come with more examples. So modal plus B plus V4, fifth one is modal plus have, sixth one is modal plus have to, seventh is modal plus have plus been, eighth one is modal plus have plus V3, ninth is modal plus have been plus V3, 10th is modal plus have plus been V4. So not 11 uses, 10 uses. And you can have negative uses as well, that is 11th. So see, let us take the first structure and frame some sentences using the modals. And before I do that, I must tell you that out of 13 modals, some are known to you, some may be new to you. Like can, known, could, known, must, might. Might means lesser possibility. This is the past tense of may. Might, can, could, may, must, might. Known to you. Would also you use, should also. Up to 7 it is known. After that there are modals which are not used much, but this is also part of grammar. These modals are used to. Used to is applicable when you describe the experience of past. Like I used to live in Delhi. मैं दिल्ली में रहता था, अब नहीं रहता हूँ. I used to go for the tuition class. मैं ट्यूशन क्लास जाता था, अब नहीं जाता. Used to. Then comes ought to. Expectation. I ought you to speak truth. मैं अपेक्षा करता हूँ तुम सही बोलो. I ought you to help others. मैं चाहता हूँ कि तुम गरीबों की मदद करो. Ought to means expectation. Then need. Need is very common. You know word. I need money. I need pen. This is also modal. Then dare. Don't dare to mislead me. हिम्मत मत करो मुझे धोखा देने की. How did you dare to fight with me? लड़ने की हिम्मत कैसे की? So dare is हिम्मत. Okay. So 7, ought to, used to, dare, need. 11. And rest to shall and will, you are familiar. I shall go, he will go, I will have to go, he will have to meet me. He means the structures which you learn in the chapter 10s. Okay. Now see, in the rest 2 minutes, I will help you to frame. Now see, out of all the 10 structures that I mentioned, and you know, don't get disappointed. You just type in the Google modal and its extensive uses. You will get complete study material. But you know, in one site you will not get the complete material. I have done extensive research, and I must tell you that in none of the book existing in the market deals modal completely. Yeah, I mean it. I have consulted 20 odd books. So to have the complete uses of modals, you will have to collect material through various sources like Macmillan site, Oxford site, and many other sites have got the uses. Now see one structure, and I will help you to know how to frame sentence. Like modals plus have plus V3. I could have gone there. मैं वहाँ जा सकता था पर गया नहीं. I may have, he may have done this. उसने ये किया होगा. Here meaning is change. I could have done it, मैंने कर सकता था, किया नहीं. He may have done it. He may have beaten him. मतलब कि मारा होगा. Same structure, meaning is different. Now one more structure, because I have reached to the 13th minute of video. Now see, modals plus have been plus V3. This is one structure. Modals plus have plus been plus V3. You can use all 7 modals on this structure. Meaning will be different. Modals plus have been plus V3. He might have been beaten by his mother. उसकी माँ ने उसे पीटा होगा. It must have been thrown by my neighbor. ये मेरे पड़ोसी ने फेंका होगा. He should have been. No, should is not applicable. What I mean to say, see, all the modals cannot be used in one particular structure. So out of 13, on one particular structure, 7 or 8 modals are applicable. That means you can derive sense. So it depends on you. You frame the sentences and you will come to know. If I use 15 minutes, okay,